In today's video, I'll show you how to create packages in Acuity Scheduling, step by step. If you want to sell multiple sessions together, offer discounts, or increase client retention, packages are a powerful option. First, log into your Acuity Scheduling account and go to your dashboard. Once you're inside, open the Packages, Gifts, and Subscriptions section from the left side menu. This is where all bundle-based services are managed. Now click on Create New Package. Next, give your package a clear name. For example, you can use 5-session coaching package or monthly consultation bundle. After that, set the number of appointments included in the package. This defines how many sessions the client can use from one purchase. Then set the price of the package. You can offer a discounted rate compared to individual sessions to make it more attractive. Next, choose which appointment types this package applies to. You can allow it for one service or multiple services, depending on your business model. Now set an expiration period if needed. For example, clients might need to use the package within 30, 60, or 90 days. Once everything is configured, click Save Package to activate it. Now your package will appear on your booking page, and clients can purchase it during checkout. Before finishing, test the booking flow to ensure everything works correctly and applies the right number of sessions. And that's it. You've successfully created packages in Acuity Scheduling and built a strong offer structure for your services. And that's how you create packages in Acuity Scheduling. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.